Fire. Good. Assess. Two rounds, same target. Fire. Good. Good. Dead center. True low light. The only light you have is that fire, which is kicking. Look at it.
Yes.
All right. Good job. All right. Ready? Two rounds. Focus on the center X and the head. Even though we're not promoting headshots, we're just having you do it for sake of target practice. Ready? Fire. Good. Awesome. Dead center, the second one. First one just slightly down. Good. Reload. Good. Punch out. Good. Assess. Bring it in. Look behind you. Holster. Same thing. Ready? Fire. Good. Awesome. Assess. Ready? Fire. Good. Dead center. Good. A little bit to the left. Pulled it over a little bit. Watch that trigger control. Ready? Fire. A little bit down left. Hold. Press straight back. Press straight back. Good. Much better. Good control. Assess. Holster. So, have you ever shot in this kind of lighting before?
Never.
What's it like?
Challenging. Different.
Yeah. Look at where, I mean, you're doing awesome. You're nailing it.
Wow.
That's low light, almost no light. I mean, you can barely see your sights, right?
I can't see the dot at all, really.
Yeah, because you don't have night sight. So that's reality of the low. I mean, that's really low light. So I'm going to give you a little offset lighting. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Ready, fire. Good. Awesome. Dead center. Good. All right, so it's just offset lighting. It could be car lighting. It could be street lights. Ready, fire. Good. Dead center. Awesome. Dead center. Two in the same hole. So now you're picking your sights up, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Fire. Good. A little bit pull into the left. There you go. Good.
I'm spent.
All right. So what do you think?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, nailing it. All right, let's load it up. This is what we do out here at Warrior Strong Firearms Coaching. We adapt to our surroundings. So she's got some a little bit of fire going on here, which is giving her some background lighting. And then I gave her a little offset lighting. If she was out like in a parking lot or something like that, a little bit of reality of what possibly could happen, and having to use your firearm in a low light, no light situation. And she is nailing it. Mike Cutter, yes, exactly. Lady Rose. So when you're scheduling your private training, if you want to schedule afternoon, evening, and work on low light, I'm gonna teach her some flashlight techniques here in a minute, and we're just making it happen out here. We train you the way you want to be trained, what your goals are, to be proficient in low light, no light, use of a flashlight. You want to be proficient on movement. You want to be proficient on hip shooting. Just the more practice, it's just like any skill. Whether you train martial arts, you work out. You don't just work out once and get in shape. You don't just have one martial arts session and all of a sudden, you know, you're a master. It's a continued skilled training, and same with shooting. There's a lot of skills, a lot of details of training to apply to be proficient, especially under pressure. So she's doing awesome. So how's it going?
It's going.
What do you think?
Awesome. I love it.
Loving
I do this
it.
every night.
You what? What'd you say?
I said I could do this every night.
Awesome. Your husband's gonna have to work a lot of hours.
Yes. Go back on tour, honey.
No pressure on me to be accurate as Charisse, he says. Again, great job, honey. And Brian, she's lucky to have you as a trainer. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it. We'll get you dialed in too, my friend. All right, we're gonna get her over on steel, and then I'm gonna teach her some flashlight stuff here. We're just doing offset lighting right now. Anybody know what time it is? I can't see the time with this live feed. Anybody watching and listening can type in the time for me. Zach Trout. Wait, I think I can do it this way. Oh, it's 6:16. Cool. Standing by the fire, getting smoke. Left the fire to skeeters away. They're not carrying us around out here. Thanks, Joelle and Nicole, for the time. So